So it's a great pleasure to be here in the middle of Cardiff with Keir Starmer, Labour's Shadow Secretary of State for Brexit.
Mark, it's fantastic to be here. Lovely sunny day in Wales. And this election is all about real change, and real change on Brexit because we've been stuck now for 3.5 years, and Labour says let's get it away from the politicians, put it back to the public. We'll secure a better deal and we'll put it to a referendum against Remain within 6 months. So that's a really big change there. But the real change goes much further than that, because we all know after 10 years of austerity and a Tory government, so much else needs to change, which is why this is the most ambitious and radical programme for reform that Labour's ever put forward. So real change will come with a vote for Labour. So please vote Labour.
So only a vote for Labour puts the decision on Brexit back in the hands of the people. And here in Wales, when we get that chance, we will campaign to Remain. But there's much more to this election than Brexit, and there's much more to Labour than Brexit. The economy, investing in public services, being serious about climate change, all those things matter to people here in Wales, and that's what a vote for Labour will secure.